Stephanie asked, Dr. Pierson, my husband snores. What can you do to help him? Well, Stephanie, one of the first things we can do is coordinate treatment for your husband with his physician, Pierson Dental, and a sleep study facility. He needs to have a specific test called a polysomnogram. What this test will do is determine if your husband is simply a snorer or someone that has sleep apnea. Snoring is just loud. Sleep apnea is loud and it can kill you. So we want to make the proper determination to make him the proper appliance. And we can make something that will fit comfortably in the mouth to definitely reduce the decibel level of his snoring and definitely help him with his sleep apnea if he has it. If you have any other questions, please don't forget to email me at askdrpearson@gmail.com.